Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We have my RSX Type S, and the car hasn't been on the channel for I think 3 months since I bought the RPF once for this one, and we haven't made a video ever since, and I don't know why, but here it is. I did get this car like hella stock. It didn't have none of this shit, and I did put a decent amount of money into it to look like this. I was gonna buy a turbo kit for this, but it was gonna be around $4,000, and I decided that since this is my daily, that I wasn't gonna sacrifice that to fucking blow my shit up and then have hella problems with the turbo. So I didn't end up buying the turbo kit, but I bought other stuff for it. And like I mentioned, I did buy some new wheels, some fake ass T37s. They look clean, but they're pretty fake. I got them for a good deal, so I couldn't resist. It does have a lip, a Mugen lip. I was gonna buy another splitter underneath, but that shit was gonna be hella slammed to the floor. But I think I might buy one again just because it looks fucking clean. And let's see in the interior. Oh, I did buy I think you guys already seen the bucket seat and quick release. And what else did I buy from in here? Oh, no, I think that's pretty much it for the inside. It did have the stock steering wheel, ripped that seat, and AC does work, and nice little stereo in here. Took off the JDM shift knob, have it in here. Shit, fuck, oh, it's not in here. It's a fucking tint ripped fucking off right there, and has one of these fucking mirrors. How sick. Energy quick release, steering wheel clean. And what else did I do to this? I think looks wise, it does have a Mugen rear lip. Should cover the plate. Mugen rear lip. Oh yeah, and then I did have to replace this till cause someone fucking rear-ended the shit out of me here in my fucking block. Fucking dumbass people. And I do have repping the fucking sticker in the here on this side. And I think looks wise, I think that's it. We'll look from here. My bad if I sound hella stupid right now, but kind of fucking sick. But I'm getting better. I'm gonna take this shit right now for a drive, take it to a fucking nice little view I know, and I'll show you guys a fucking cold start right now. We're gonna go for a fucking cold start right now. Did you guys hear it? This shit is pretty fucking loud, and it's because we did some major not major but some modifications to it. I did put some stuff to it performance wise, but I'll tell you guys that I'll get more to depth when we get to that spot I was talking about. So we're back here at the spot I was telling you guys. Nice little view for the whip. It looks fucking clean right now. And you can see most of SJ up here. It's pretty nice. So I was telling you guys that I did buy some performance mods for the whip. Fuck, car's coming. I did buy some performance mods for the whip, and just want to tell you guys that this shit's finally full bolt-ons and on a fucking tune. I bought and this all happened before the year ended, so I'm like, I saw my boy Jason making like some fat ass fucking moves and cops for his fucking SRT4, and then I'm like, I can't stay behind, and then I had to make some fucking cops for this beast. And I did buy some Skunk 2 headers, the Alpha headers, and Skunk 2 exhaust, and I think AM cold air intake, and a K-tuner. So it's full bolt-ons and K-tuned, and that did give it a little bit of a boost, but still not that bad. I haven't fucking raced anybody with it so far, and it feels nice, and it fucking it's 2-steps now too, and that's pretty cool because I always wanted this shit to 2-step. And I think the next thing I'm gonna do for this thing is most likely E85, and after that probably buy intake manifold and a bigger throttle body, I think. And I think that'll be it for this whip. And I do want to buy another car this year. I don't know if to be a 350Z HR or a S2000, but I don't want to be dealing this shit all the time, and most likely want to fucking use this shit to fucking not race, but like beat on this shit whenever I want to. And I want to give a shout out to the niggas that helped me put the headers on, which was Luis, Daniel, and Jason and Jonathan. They helped me put on the fucking headers. It was not hard, but it was like kind of fucking took kind of a long time. And yeah, and then another fucking shout out to that nigga Jason. Without him, I probably would have never fucking got this whip, or I probably wouldn't know shit about cars. And that nigga's the one that taught me how to fucking also drive fucking stick. And well, the other niggas, Brian and Jonathan too, did teach me a little bit, because all those fools knew a little bit more than me. And then I'm gonna say that I'm fucking grateful for those niggas. And then I am grateful for those niggas. Oh shit. And fuck, I don't know what to say. And hopefully I fucking make more videos, or Jason makes more videos of this fucking beast. And I think I'll show you guys a fucking 2-step right now. It does sound fucking pretty sick to me. I don't know about you guys. Before I end the video, I just want to thank everybody that's subscribed, and then we'll reach 1K hopefully soon, or by end this year. And I think that's it. Make sure to I don't know, it's Jason. Oh, well, just make sure to subscribe and comment what do you think of my whip, and what else you guys think I should do to it. And thanks for watching.